Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Crystal, and today's video I'm going to be showing you or doing an unboxing of a handbag company that I stumbled upon on Instagram. Friday by JW Pei, P-E-I, I think, or that's how you spell it, but I'm not sure exactly how to pronounce it. I think it's JW Pei, P-E-I. Yeah, so if you're interested in seeing some bags I purchased from this website, then just continue watching. Here are the bags, or the packaging. I purchased 3 bags. I was initially on there to get 1 bag, and then I saw so many. They were having like a sale on their site. I think everything was, I want to say 30% off. I'm not sure. But if you don't know me, I like to purchase items when they're on sale. If I don't have to pay full price for them, then I'm happy about that. So I saw the bag on another YouTuber or another YouTuber I watched, Karen Britchick. She's a New York based blogger. She's from the UK, but she's New York based blogger, and I was watching one of her YouTube videos, and she was interviewing people on the streets and asking them. She does this series where she like asks people on the streets of New York, you know, where did you get that, you know. So I think that's an awesome thing. I wish I was bold enough to do something like that. So anyway, so she had interviewed one lady who had this one particular bag that I wanted, that I thought was really cute, and I was like, where did she get that bag, you know? So Karen interviewed her, and the lady told her where she got the bag from. And so of course immediately I went to the site. I saw it on Instagram too, but after I saw it on Karen's YouTube video, the lady that she interviewed, I was like, okay, I gotta go get this bag and see what it's about and see. I was thinking it's gonna be like astronomically, you know, expensive, but it ended up being less than $40, which is good for a good quality bag. And for those of you who don't know, this website or this company, they so the bags pretty much are made up of vegan leather, the outside of the bag, and the inside of it is recycled, I want to say recycled bottles, plastic bottles, which I think is awesome. Any kind of way that any company wants to save the environment, save on waste, I'm all for it, you know. Even though I personally, myself, probably need to do a little bit more of that, but it's good to have brands out there who care about the environment. So, you know, thumbs up there. So I'm going to show you the bags. Like I said, I have 3 bags, and I'm going to show you all 3 of them, give you my initial thoughts, my initial review on them, and because I haven't even opened them up yet, so you'll get to see like first impressions. Okay, so let me go ahead and open up the first one. All right, so for the first bag, it came in this packaging, which is like this is the brand, by the way, JW Pei or Pei. We're gonna say Pei. If you know the correct pronunciation of this, then just let me know down below. But the packaging, first, you know, from first impressions, the packaging is really nice. It's like a marble effect, but it is a cardboard box. Looks like a shoe box actually. So I probably will save this box and use it to store other items. So let's just open it up, shall we? So here is the packaging, or the what the bag is wrapped in. And so here's the first bag. Nice packaging, by the way. So this is the dust bag that it was wrapped in, and then here is the bag. This is the initial bag that I wanted. I went on the site and I can't open it. Oh, you got to push it. So I had initially went on the site for this bag, and it was sold out. And I was like, okay. So then I purchased 2 other bags, which I'll show you in just a minute. But this was the bag that I initially wanted. And it's like a, I don't know if you can see, it's like, it looks like a burgundy color. It's like a burgundy brown type of color. And this is what it looks like on the inside. And this is the strap. I'm trying to get the strap out. And the strap is, so here are the straps, or the strap to the bag. And yeah, it looks burgundy. In certain lights, it looks like a deep burgundy, close to a brown color. But yeah, so initial thoughts, it definitely looks like a good quality bag. It has the JW Pei or Pi logo on it. And it's like gold, has gold detail, which is really nice. And I'm gonna go ahead and put the straps on. So from what I could see how it was being styled as a crossbody bag, as well as just, you know, like a shoulder bag. You can't see, obviously. So I'm gonna tilt you down so you can see. Here's the bag. As you can see, it goes to my hips. I am 5'7" for reference. So you can see kind of the color a little bit better. I'm 5'7" for reference. So it goes to, and I have a short torso. So it goes to my hips. And then I've seen a lot of people wear it like as a crossbody bag. Which is what I would wear it for, which is why I purchased it, to wear it like this. So I like this bag. Like I said, it's made of pretty good quality. Doesn't look cheap at all. No threads are coming out of it or anything like that. Yeah, so I'm very happy with this purchase. So yeah, I like this bag. First impressions, I like it. Don't have any complaints there with it. Although, so to push it up, or to open it, you got to push this little part here, and then it opens up. So now the real question is going to be whether or not I'm going to fit my iPhone in here, because it is quite small, smaller than I thought it would be, than I had anticipated on being. But it does have like a compartment here, it has a compartment here, and also a little side compartment here to put like maybe some money in there, or you know, your credit cards or whatever. But first impressions is I really like this bag. Like I said, good quality bag. Just the croc, you know, the croc effect that I'm so into and love. So yeah, first impressions is I love this bag, and I'm going to be looking forward to getting a lot of use out of it this fall and winter season. So all right, so that's the first bag, and I think I paid $39 for it. I will try to leave the price on the screen to what I paid for. Let's go on to the other 2 bags. All right, so the second handbag I got, again, is in this packaging. I think this one is the exact same one as the burgundy, deep burgundy one that I just showed you guys. Again, the same packaging. And yeah, it's the same exact bag, except that it is a mint green, or sage green, or pistachio, which is actually the color of the season is pistachio, or one of the colors of the season is pistachio. So I've been finding myself purchasing a lot of things, or getting things in this color, because I think it's such a pretty color. It's pastels, which I'm been getting into pastels here lately for whatever reason. I don't know why, even though it's the fall and winter season. But yeah, I really like this one. It's exactly like the burgundy one, except it's in this pistachio green color. Again, it has the gold detailing. Very pretty color. Yeah, I purchased this one because they didn't have the other one in stock. So I was like, well, I like the structure of the bag, because these bags are very structured. Like I said, they look like they can withstand some wear and tear, which is what I like, because I can be pretty rough on my stuff. So I need something that's gonna be kind of durable. So this definitely will last me a while. I'm hoping it will. Like I said, this is a first impression, so I haven't had a chance to really wear it out and kind of see, you know, if I get any kind of marks or anything on it. Hopefully there won't be any kind of color transfer as far as from jeans, because I wear a lot of jeans in the fall and winter. So hopefully it won't, you know, have any color transfer, which I'm hoping it's not, because it's vegan leather, faux leather. So I don't think faux leather transfers or gets color transfer. I could be wrong, you know. But again, it's the same bag. The strap is inside. Again, the inside is evidently made out of recycled bottles. I'm gonna leave the site, the name of the site on my down in the description box, and I'm gonna try to leave these exact ones or these exact bags in the description box too, so that you can just click on them if you want to purchase them. But first impressions, I like this bag. Again, it's the same one, just in a different color, because I'm the type person, if I like something, I'm gonna get it in multiple colors, obviously, because I'm just a crazy shopping maniac like that. All right, so let me show you the next one. This one is in this kind of packaging. It's just plain, like a plain box packaging. So we're gonna open it up. It's in the dust bag there, JW Pei or Pie. And this one is cream colored. So it already has the strap attached to it. I don't know why the other one is not already hooked up, but there we go. So this is a small bag. And so the story with this bag is I was going on the site initially. I was going to get that burgundy one, and I wanted this one in that same pistachio green color, but it was out of stock. So I was like, okay, I don't have any white bags or any cream bags like this, so let me get this one, or get this style bag in a cream. And yeah, all these are croc effect, as you can see, like the crocodile or faux croc effect, because these aren't real crocodile, obviously. And this one is kind of like one of those 90s type of bags that you just wear under your arm, is basically what this one is for. It actually looks cute with this sweater that I have on. So yeah, so it's made to kind of go on like this, or made to wear like this, like under your shoulder or under your arm, under your shoulder. Yeah, shoulders are here, so under your shoulder bag. But yeah, so it's a very small bag, very cute. Again, it gives nod to that whole 90s vibe. If you're familiar with Dior at all, Dior bags, I'm hoping one day I'll be able to make enough bank to afford one of those Dior bags. The saddle, I think they call it the saddle bags. This is kind of similar in shape to that kind of bag in a way. The only thing I don't like is the metal is silver. I mostly wear gold, as you can see from my earrings, and I have this little gold ring. So I mean, I don't know, I guess you can always mix. I don't really care. I can always mix and match metals, but this one, I don't like I guess I don't really like the fact that it's silver, but because I don't wear a lot of silver. But other than that, I really like this bag. I guess it really wouldn't look right with gold hardware, would it? It looks better with silver, I think, just because of this, the color of the bag. But yeah, so I like this bag as well. And it's a cute little bag. Let's see. Let's open it up and see. Take all the stuffing out of it. So it's a nice size bag, and I like the little, has a little logo in it, or the branding in it. This is a nice size bag as well, or not as well. This is a nice size bag. I can fit my phone in here. I can fit my wallet in here. My keys would fit, like all my essentials. This is like a bag that I would wear shopping. If I didn't want to wear a huge bag and be weighed down by a huge bag, I can wear this one shopping or just casual. Only thing I'm concerned about with a white bag is, you know, the color transfer, or you know how you have a or how you can get like pin markings. I'm scared like to get pin markings on this bag, anything really, to get on this bag to stain it. But luckily I didn't pay a fortune for it, so if I do get anything on it, it's no big deal. Hopefully bleach would be able to get it off if I do get anything on it. But this is definitely a bag gonna have to keep in the dust bag, and a bag that I don't need to wear around my kids, especially around my daughter, because she will find a way to get something on me. But anyway, it's a cute bag. I could even let her wear it, my little daughter wear it too. So yeah, so I really like this bag as well. All right, so that's it. I have a nice little color palette going on with these bags, right? Like I would wear this in an outfit, like some brown, pistachio, and cream. It makes for a cute outfit, don't it, as far as the colors. Obviously can't wear all three at the same time, or could I? No, that's stupid. But no, so these are the bags here, and these little mini bags are, you know, in style. I really love this one. This looks so luxurious and elegant to me. I really love it. Yeah, but those are the bags that I purchased off of the JW Pei website. Like I said, I'll try to leave all the details of these bags down below, as far as how much I paid for them and everything. I don't know if they're still on sale on the site, but I'll leave all the information down below just in case you want to check it out anyway and see if you can find any other bags. I may go on there and get another one. I know, as if I need anything else. I don't. I probably won't. I'll probably wait till after Christmas, and maybe they'll be on sale after Christmas. We'll see. But yeah, that's it. That's my review and unboxing of the JW Pei handbags. Tell me what you think about them. If you have purchased these bags before, tell me what, you know, what was your experience with them? Did you have any issues with, you know, color transfer onto the bags? Or if you find that they're very durable, whatever opinions you have or thoughts that you have on these bags, if you have them, please leave a comment down below and let me know. Other than that, that's it. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like these kind of videos. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at crystal_momon, and also on my blog at crystalmomonblog.com, because I think I'm going to do a whole blog post on these bags. So check that out as well. All right. Well, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day, and see you next time.